Hi everyone, my name is Farrah Allidina, and today I will be reading to you an excerpt from my book, Bouncing Around. The cool air thumped against my chest. My legs moved fast, passing red traffic lights and stop signs. I kept walking, until I wasn't. All I remembered was hitting the floor, hard. The passing world's noises grew faint, and I heard a crushing ringing in my ears that made me shudder. I lay in the middle of the sidewalk, hurt and with no strength. I thought that this was the end. I tried to get up, but my arms were too weak. A passerby with oily skin and green eyes helped me up, asking me countless questions. But I couldn't hear him, or I tried not to. I thanked the stranger, blood pouring from my nose, as he equipped me with tissues and 2 bandages, a look of pity on his face. I wiped my nose with the tissue and applied the bandages to the bridge of my nose and the cut on my jeans. My head was pounding and my nose burned as my tears fell. At the hospital, I found Mom sobbing on Dad's shoulder, Josh standing with his best friend Brent, both with tears in their eyes, and Uncle Kenny weeping with Aunt Gloria, his wife. My eyes made their way to each person, and finally to Grandpa Cornelius. I looked into his eyes. That friendly twinkle in his pupils was gone, his goofy smile had disappeared, and his soft voice was nowhere to be heard.